Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toy catapult is probably one of the most fun and educational toys you can find, blending simple construction with exciting physics experiments that will keep both kids and adults entertained for hours. Whether you're launching small projectiles across the room or meticulously adjusting the catapult's design for optimal distance, this toy offers endless opportunities for creative play and learning. Number 5. National Geographic Da Vinci Catapult. Get ready for hours of fun and learning with this amazing kit. It's the perfect blend of building and play. This kit lets you construct a ballista, a bombard, and a powerful catapult. Each one is historically inspired and ready for action. Once built, it's time to test your engineering skills. Load the projectiles and watch them soar up to 15 feet. All the laser-cut wooden pieces, rubber bands, sandpaper, and easy-to-follow instructions are right in the box. No extra tools are needed. It's more than just a toy, it's a fantastic STEM activity that sparks creativity and problem-solving skills. Give the gift of learning and fun. We are committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. If you have any issues, we'll make things right. What we like. This kit lets you build 3 different siege weapons. It launches projectiles up to 15 feet. If you are looking for an educational and engaging STEM activity, this is the perfect choice for curious minds. What people say. The catapult, easiest to assemble of the lot and shoots incredibly far for its size. It will launch its little boulder 10 or 12 feet. It functions smoothly and without fail. Well made. The assembly of each of the 3 projects was easy. The catapult works amazing and is fun to launch. Number 4. Sonic Giant Eggman Robot Battle Set. Get ready for action-packed fun with this awesome battle set. It features a giant Eggman robot and a dynamic Sonic figure, ready to relive classic Sonic battles. Check out the details on this imposing Eggman robot. It's 9 inches tall and packed with features, just waiting to be discovered. This isn't your average Sonic figure. This one is ready to launch into action with its dynamic spin attack pose. He's ready to take on Eggman. Load up the catapult and fire Sonic at Eggman's chest plate. Hit it 3 times to defeat him. It's easy and fun for everyone. With the push of a button, unleash Eggman's hand missiles. Watch out, Sonic. See the cool retractable flames on Eggman's jetpack. They slide in and out for extra battle flair. Once the battle is over, simply put it back together and start all over again. The fun never ends. What we like. This set features a large Eggman robot and a Sonic figure. You can use the catapult to battle Eggman. If you're a Sonic fan and enjoy interactive play, this is a must-have. What people say. There is a tiny rubber Sonic and there is a catapult that goes with the set. The jetpack has flames that you can press out, and it looks like it is about to fly. This is a fun toy for the Sonic fan. Take some time to space the catapult correct, but at 3 hits, it falls apart. Is fun. Sturdy. Number 3. Pathfinders Da Vinci Catapult Kit. This isn't just a toy, it's a hands-on STEM learning experience. Build your own working catapult and discover the principles of engineering and physics along the way. The kit comes with a detailed instruction booklet, making it simple to assemble. It's designed to be an engaging and fun project for all skill levels. It takes about an hour to build, allowing for focus time and a sense of accomplishment. It's a perfect activity for a rainy day or a fun weekend project. It's suitable for ages 14 and up, but younger children can participate with adult guidance. It makes a great gift or educational tool for kids and adults alike. It's an excellent way to learn about engineering, design, simple machines, pulleys, and levers. It's a fun and educational experience that will help you understand STEM concepts. It's made from high-quality, FSC-certified natural untreated wood, ensuring safety and durability. It meets all ASTM toy safety standards for children's toys. Once built, it can launch projectiles over 15 feet. Get ready for some exciting experiments and friendly competitions. What we like. This kit is a fantastic educational tool, teaching engineering and design principles. It takes about an hour to build. If you are looking for a challenging STEM project that's also fun, this is it. What people say. The pieces are all made of wood, and well cut. No splinters, no broken pieces or anything. Very stable, easy to operate. We probably fired stuff of it for about an hour, and it is still in excellent shape. It is a rare toy, wood, consisting of gears and mechanical stuff. Refreshing. Number 2. Papo Catapult Red Figurines. It helps children invent new stories every day, developing their curiosity and igniting their imagination. Watch them create their own magical worlds. These figurines are designed and developed in France, ensuring high-quality play and learning. It's a testament to French creativity and expertise. They offer ultra-realistic details for immersive play. The accuracy of the postures and attention to detail bring them to life. Each figurine is meticulously hand-painted, providing a very high level of detail and finish. You'll appreciate the artistry and care in every piece. Discover a vast collection: wild animals, farm animals, dinosaurs, knights, and more. There's a world of adventure waiting to be explored. For almost 30 years, they've been creating timeless, high-quality figurines. They are built to last and to be passed down through families. These toys encourage children to create their own magical kingdoms, filled with conquest, chivalry, and endless adventures. Hours of imaginative fun await. What we like. Each figurine is meticulously hand-painted, resulting in incredible detail. It encourages imaginative play. If you value high-quality, durable toys that spark creativity, this is for you. What people say. This was an awesome gift. My 4-year-old grandson is into catapults, go figure. Also, he loves red. So, I did a search on red catapults, and this was the result. He loves finding things other than the ball to catapult. Another reviewer suggested whoppers, which is perfect. I highly recommend this well-made toy. Great with all the Papo figures. Great detail and it works. Purchased this for my son's 4th birthday party. We made a castle cake and my sister suggested using this catapult with whoppers for all the guests to attack the castle. Fantastic. Whoppers are the exact size of the ball, which is also nice in case you lose the ball. We found that bracing the catapult slightly over the edge of the table to ensure maximum launchability was best. Everyone tried it, including all the adults, and hilarity ensued. Number 1. Mini Counterweight Trebuchet 3D Puzzle. It's a detailed scale model of a medieval trebuchet. Learn how these amazing siege weapons worked and have fun building it. This beautifully crafted model is made from high-quality wood. It's a fun toy and a stunning addition to any room. Building it is a great brain challenge. It will improve your problem-solving skills and provide hours of screen-free fun. The kit includes all the pieces, tools, and instructions you'll need. Just add glue and your patience. Looking for a unique gift? This model is perfect for anyone interested in history, engineering, or unique home decor. What we like. This model is a beautifully crafted medieval siege weapon. The finished model is a sizable 38 centimeters long. If you enjoy intricate DIY projects and unique home decor, this is perfect for you. What people say. The kit includes the tools necessary for assembly, which is very handy. This kit is not like any other on the market. It's a blend of laser cut, fast assembly wood and the more advanced, high-end kits you might find in the model boat department. The plywood varies in thickness based on the placement of the part, giving the unit the appearance of actual timber. The sheets have been pre-stained, which also helps with that appearance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.